Alright, today I'm going to talk about a nifty new little design tool that completely blew my mind when I first started playing around with it. Hope you enjoy. So, that nifty little new design tool is called Artboard Studio. And before anyone asks, no, this video is in no way affiliated with or sponsored by the people behind the tool. I'm making this video because I genuinely thought that it was an awesome little tool and it might help some of you. So, Artboard Studio. What is it and how can it help you? This is Artboard Studio, and it's a design tool that helps you create realistic mock-up images of scenes to promote brands or products on the web or on social media or wherever basically. Let's start a new project and we'll call this project Test. And we'll start it from scratch. These over here are all templates and examples of what you can create, but let's start from scratch so that you really get a feel for what Artboard Studio is. It's not just a design tool, although right now it looks exactly like a design tool. But if you hit this little plus, which is add items, this is where you start to see where Artboard Studio really separates itself from the competition. It is chock-block full of resources, hundreds of professionally made, clear-cut stock photos that are all ready to go, ready to be dumped into your project. Let's quickly look at a little example. Let's just grab this folded t-shirt, and here it is on our page. We'll get rid of this, and now, cool, we have a t-shirt. Woo! Let's also add something from nature. Let's add what goes well with this t-shirt. Maybe the white daisy top. Cool. And let's add one more for good measure. What's this one? Another white daisy. Why not? Let's stick with the daisy thing. Cool. So basically you see these are professional grade stock images that you can just drag and drop or click and drop them into your project. But it goes one step further. So you select this item, which is a t-shirt, and over on the right hand side here, you have the option to place your design. And now we're in a different tab. So now we can actually hit the upload button and you can upload a file from your computer. And I have one here, which is a skull. So let's dump that here. And if you give me a second, we'll just resize it. And you can see that it actually updates on the t-shirt back on our main project. The real value of this tool is that they have seamlessly pulled together the resourcing part and the tooling part. I honestly think this tool changes the game. It makes design so much more accessible. You don't need special software. This is all running in Chrome. Ooh, look at that. And you don't need to understand super complicated tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. This tool is just simple and powerful on its own. I don't know, maybe I'm overexcited or overhyping this thing, but when I first dived into the beta about a week ago, it seriously blew me away. Let me know what you think, and if you'd like me to dive a little bit deeper into Artboard Studio, then please reach out and let me know. But as always, thanks for watching. Bye.